When you're deep into an intense gaming session, the last thing you want is fumbling around for a light switch or dealing with flickering lights. Finding the right rechargeable smart light switch can significantly enhance your gaming experience, providing the perfect ambiance and convenience at your fingertips. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 rechargeable smart light switches available on Amazon. Each has unique features that make them stand out, but you'll want to stick around for our #1 pick, which could change how you game forever. Be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and subscribe for more great content. RV Exterior Light Camping Trailer Accessories, RV Step. This versatile light is perfect for gamers who also love the outdoors. The RV Exterior Light Camping Trailer Accessories is designed to be durable and weather-resistant, ensuring that it shines bright in any environment. Its rechargeable feature means you won't have to worry about changing batteries, making it an eco-friendly option. This light's motion sensor is a game changer for late-night snack runs or bathroom trips during gaming marathons. While its brightness is impressive, keep in mind that it may not be suitable for larger outdoor areas needing extensive lighting. Overall, this light is a fantastic addition for those who enjoy both gaming and camping. Motion Sensor Night Light. The Motion Sensor Night Light is ideal for gamers looking for a touch of convenience and safety. This light automatically activates when it detects movement, perfect for navigating your gaming room during those late-night sessions. It's rechargeable, saving you from the hassle of changing batteries constantly. With its sleek design, it can be mounted anywhere, providing just the right amount of light without being intrusive. However, it may not be bright enough for some users who prefer a stronger light source for detailed tasks. The Motion Sensor Night Light is a great choice for enhancing your gaming setup while ensuring your path remains illuminated. Amazon Basics Smart Light Switch. For those wanting seamless integration into their smart home ecosystem, the Amazon Basics Smart Light Switch is an excellent choice. It's designed for easy installation and allows you to control your lights via a smartphone app or voice commands, making it incredibly convenient for gamers. Imagine adjusting your lighting setup without leaving your chair in the heat of a gaming battle. Its sleek design fits most decor styles, adding a modern touch to your gaming environment. A minor drawback is that it requires a neutral wire, which may complicate installation for some users. Nevertheless, the value and functionality it brings make it a top pick for any gamer looking to step up their lighting game. Rechargeable EDC Flat Flashlight. The rechargeable EDC Flat Flashlight is not only compact and lightweight, but also extremely powerful, boasting a bright beam that can illuminate any gaming space. This flashlight is perfect for those who need reliable lighting for late-night gaming sessions or emergency situations. Its rechargeable feature means you can keep it ready for use at all times. The flat design makes it easy to store, fitting perfectly in a pocket or bag, which adds to its portability. However, some users may find it lacks certain advanced features compared to bulkier models. Still, this flashlight presents an unbeatable combination of convenience and functionality, making it an essential tool for gamers and adventurers alike. EDC Rechargeable Flashlight 3250 Lumens. Taking the top spot is the EDC Rechargeable Flashlight 3250 Lumens, a powerhouse in lighting technology. With an astonishing 3250 lumens, this flashlight is perfect for anything from illuminating your gaming area to emergency preparedness. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. This flashlight's rugged build makes it ideal for outdoor gaming setups or harsh environments. The adjustable brightness settings allow you to customize the light intensity based on your needs, enhancing your gameplay experience significantly. While it may be pricier than other models, the performance and reliability it delivers make it worth every penny. This flashlight is a must-have for any serious gamer. Thank you for tuning in to our top 5 rechargeable smart light switches for gaming. Each of these products brings unique features and benefits tailored for gamers like you. Whether you're enhancing your setup with smart technology or looking for reliable lighting, these picks have you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best current prices. And let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content.